kebetulan saya bawa kerja. Jadi kamu kalian tengah panen buah cranberry. Yan, kilo kena ulu. Yan, buah cranberry. Ini tengah panen. Yan. Ya, buah cranberry. Harap baca tahu buah muliang. Yo kalau tandun dia. Kayak buah muliang. Jo biasa aja pegang jus cranberry. Alinya ulul cikando kede cara di pot ya lagi ya di pupuno iya. Li pupuno iya. Ya, li pupuno iya. Beri mu tu lagi tayo mu di kampung. Ya. Lagi tayo mu kampung. Ya, mu yak dak beto, nyo rencana nak jak beto ba beto mu. Ya. Bukan apa-apa sih Pak, kamu butuh bahan motor berapa ya. Nanti nampak betul bahan motor. Di bawah ini highway. Oh, mana ejak kena. Mana ejak kena kamu. Okay. Look, I just met one YouTuber. Look at
Sure.
He has a good toys.
There you go.
Yeah.
The
See,
Osmo Mobile 3.
Wow, this is good stuff, eh? You see, everybody want to do this thing. Yeah, we are.
Trying to be professionals.
Yeah, we're trying to be a
professional.
Yeah, we're trying to be a professional. Yeah, we want to record all of us here. We just want to record this thing. Cranberry.
Cranberry farm, right?
Yeah, cranberry farm. Okay.